Hi guys, this is Sarah James from JessieJamesBeads.com. I'm standing here amongst the many Jessie James beads that live here at our warehouse in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. We're coming to the close of a very tedious but important month of inventory calculating. That has been something that we do it every year at Jessie James, where we see what beads we have to use for our famous bead mixes and mixed bead strands, and we count them all up and we organize them. So it's kind of like cleaning your room after it's gotten really messy and you've acquired a lot of beads. So it's been a taxing experience, but it's been really great to get them all on the shelf and we can see what we've got. Everything's really organized. It's really great for the bead team to be able to see what they have available to work with, and then it lets us know what else we need to buy to keep our bead mixes and our mixed bead strands looking extra spicy and delicious. So I just wanted to give you a quick, I was here in the main part of the warehouse, so I thought that you guys might want to see it too. That's a whole lot of beads. But what I'm doing for you here today on this Facebook Live, Wednesday afternoon, big day here on Facebook, I have a fabulous unboxing of our January mystery box that I've been really itching to share with you. Gina Maddox from Orchid and Opal Beads had done an unboxing, but I really wanted the opportunity to do one also and share with you what's inside the January magical mystery bead box from Jessie James Beads. This box shipped out earlier in the month. I think that it arrived, or it left our facilities on January 15th, and our fans have just been crazy about it. We just started a whole new Facebook group, the Magical Mystery Bead Group. So if you're interested in the box, you should request to join, because our members have been posting pictures of the jewelry items that they've been making, and they're talking about different boxes that they've really loved. So it's been a really cool group that we've developed, and we'd love for you guys to be there, all of you, whether you're a subscriber or not. Oh, let's see, we've got Shelly Keck. It's her birthday. Happy birthday, Shelly. Oh, that's wonderful. Birthdays are special. Hi, Deb. Hi, Eve. Hi, Susie. Hi, Teresa. Hi, Tanya. Hey, guys. Heidi here. Heidi just chimed in. She says that she loves this box. I am really excited about it too, because there's some special little nuances in here that I'm really looking forward to delving into and sharing with you guys. So one other thing to note, Magical Mystery Bead Box for February is in the works. It's going to be a very sparkly box. So if you are not a subscriber yet, you might be interested to join. There's more information up in the top box there. And our 3-month and above subscriptions are shipping for free, because it's free shipping, for US shipping for your $100 order at Jessie James going on right now. Thank you very much, whoever that was. So guys, let's see if I can open this box up and share with you. Hello, Mr. Neelay Patel from Silver Silk, finally able to join in live. Everyone say hi to Neelay and tell him how awesome you think Silver Silk is. All right, Neelay says you have to get one of these boxes too. Let's flip this around and have some fun, shall we? Okay. The magical mystery box, come on, the magical mystery box. That's how the song goes, right? That was fully the inspiration behind this. Thank you, Fab4. Beatles all the way. All right, so I'm going to open up my box. What do we have here? I already know what's inside. It's just fun to be surprised. So the January box was our Across the Universe box, sticking with that Beatles theme. So what we did was created a whole box with this fabulous theme. that suits across the universe, an intergalactic box of beads and design components. So this is all the stuff that you get inside. And what's really cool about the Magical Mystery Bead Box is that we developed these items specifically for MMBB, Magical Mystery Bead Box. So you're not going to be able to find these bead mixes or these strands anyplace else. They're limited edition and they're exclusive to our subscribers. So we like to give you guys something really special. We really believe in curating a set of items that has a theme to it, that not only are the beads pretty, but they tell a story and they allow you to tell a story through your bead designs. So it's been really great seeing the pieces that you come up with. Nile has done some fabulous work with these boxes. We might need to get you signed on again for some more work for another bead subscription. I don't know, Nile. And guys, I'm going to just start delving into this box. Someone is calling me. I'm gonna have to wait. Okay, so in this box we have got 2 pieces of chain. I've got a big heap of seed beads, really pretty outer space kind of colors. So you've got some loose beads here. Oh, those are really pretty. Oh, I love the splatter print on these guys. Then we've got, this really fun charm set, some bubble balls, a custom mini mix. Ooh, I'll open this up in just a bit too. That's got some good stuff in it. I want to share it with you. Custom mini mix, tassel set. And these tassels were put together, whoopsie daisies. Those tassels were put together to match these 2 strands. These are our solar system strands, and I don't know if anyone caught on to this, but we have got the whole solar system right here. Now I'm gonna be taking myself back to 3rd grade education, trying to name all of the planets right in a row, but we have got the Sun, Mercury, Venus, planet Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn with the rings, Neptune, Venus, and no, Venus was the other way, Neptune and Pluto. I'm missing one right here. But if you guys, bonus points to whoever can name all of the planets right in a row. But that was the layout of these strands. And the reason that we gave you 2 is because nothing in the strands is matching straight together. Like typically our strands have a little bit of rhyme and reason and symmetry to them. These do not. This is a straight up and down pattern. Uranus. How could I forget? Okay. But here we have the solar system, starting with the Sun and ending with Pluto, which has now been deemed a planet once again. Pluto, great to have you back with us. Isn't that a cool concept? Stacy on the design department and on the design team came up with this one, and she was so excited about creating this bead box for you guys. We hand dyed these beads to get them the colors that they are, and they really are kind of the colors of the planets. It is so, so cool. And you get 2 of them so that you're able to make earrings or what have you. Yeah, it really is a cool concept, Sue. Thanks for noting that. And that's the thing that's really unique about the Jesse James Magical Mystery Bead Box. We're not just throwing together beads and sending them out to you. Like, everything has a purpose and a really cool story to it. So I just went through the solar system strands. Now you can see how the tassels match that solar system. Not perfectly, but you know, enough to be able to go with. Honestly, they're really pretty good. Let me get them out. It's always fun to take something out of its package, isn't it? So as a reminder, this is the Magical Mystery Bead Box. This is our subscription program. We do have free US shipping going on right now for orders that are 100 and over, so that includes your subscription. Though, just recently we have instated the month-to-month subscription. So if 3 months is too much of a commitment for you, you just wanna try it out, do it for a month. You can cancel at any time, no obligation. Here's those tassels that go along with those strands. Isn't that funky? Yeah, Teresa, the space-related one is just the January box. Our theme was across the universe for January. And you always get this really cool postcard with gorgeous art and a listing of what's inside. So we hope that you save your postcards and put them on your fridge, or, I don't know, just think about us from time to time. That's all. Okay, so we've got strands, we've got tassels. What else is in this box? Ooh, I've got 2 pieces of our chain reaction. This chain is so boss. Jesse James chain reaction was custom created by our team here. My mom was actually integral with putting these together. Jesse James is a family business, for those of you that don't know us very well. Family biz here in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. But yeah, she designed this chain for you guys. They're each 18 inches in length. We have them for sale on the JJB site too. If you search chain reaction, there's like probably close to 40 colors. Really beautiful. So 2 lengths of that and 2 clasps. Yeah, this kit is really great. Thank you guys so much for the positive encouragement. Sue, I'll tell her that you like it. Hi, Kathy. Guys, thanks so much for joining today. So this guy I want to share with you. Let me just take these tassels to the side. This was the little charm set that came in the January Magical Mystery Box. And we've got some intergalactic, we've got Saturn, we've got some cute little star charms, these funky triangle daggers. I saw someone in the Magical Mystery Bead group here on Facebook made some really cool earrings with these. There's some cage charms here, some blue goldstone, and a really funky little, well, I guess it could be used as a cab, or there's also 2 holes in the back if you wanted to somehow make it a connector. Teresa says, thank you so much for taking my mind off the snowstorm. Teresa, I cannot believe the snow. I live near Philly. Our warehouse is in Bethlehem. It is snow-covered winter wonderland here in Bethlehem. Out by Philadelphia, nothing. Not a thing. I was kind of looking forward to some snow. Susan says, beautiful mixes. Thank you so much, Susan. Really, really appreciate that. And then last but not least, you get this really funky mini mix here. And there's really beautiful check glass. We've got some agate, some purple agate in there. There's some electroplated glass and just a whole plethora of beads you're going to be able to use, teeny tiny ones. Ooh, I love those little acrylic balls, those foiled ones. Super neat. Oh yeah, and how could I forget? We also have our bubble balls here. This set comes with 2 bubbles like this, and then some empty ones so that you can make your own. Shanna says, bite your tongue on that snow comment. Shanna is a colleague of mine. We work together here at Jesse James, and she is not a fan of the snow. Okay, Shanna, I take it back. So guys, here's what we've got for the Magical Mystery Box for the month of January. This shipped out on January 16th. You still have a few more days to sign up if you would like to receive the February box. Our cutoff date for February is February 7th. Okay, so there'll be all kinds of cool stuff in the February box. And I'm telling you right now, this is the only hint that I'll drop, that February's theme is very, very sparkly. So free shipping tonight, no code needed. That's all I got for right now. I am so happy that I got to go through this box with you guys. I just needed to explain the solar system strands to everyone. They are just so cool. They're so cool. What a dream. Ah, they're so beautiful. Thanks guys so much for joining. Susan Simpson says that it's 71 here in Tucson. Yay! I head to Tucson next week. We've got all kinds of events posted up for the Tucson happenings. Jesse James Beads is not working a show per se. We will have beads available at the Whole Bead Show at the Viscount Suite Hotels. We're also partaking in the Beads of Courage annual bracelet making party on February 6th. And we will be selling beads, tons of deals, make and take stations at the Beads of Courage, Beads, Blues, and Beers Festival that is on Saturday, February 9th. It's an all-day event. This is also something special. If you're going to be in Tucson, we are offering complimentary tickets on our charge for anyone that would like to attend the Saturday Beads, Blues, and Beers Festival. So there's information about that on the Jesse James Beads blog. I'll send you a newsletter about it. Just if you feel like attending, you can email me, sarah.james@jessejamesbeads.com. Okay, I'll get you more info there. Thank you for joining me. I had so much fun going through this box with you. I hope that you're enjoying your boxes if you are a Magical Mystery Bead Box subscriber. And if not, I hope that we get you on board at some point. Okay? Any questions, leave them here. Questions about products, questions about the boxes. I'll be happy to answer them. Okay? Have a good afternoon, everyone. Bye.